lights went out.
The street lights went out?
Yes, hello guys. We have a rainbow here.
We got a rainbow here. We had
And the trash can fell down.
we had a little storm on this road. And
we have a
we had
rainbow.
some trees blow down in the back. Little stormy day today. What's today? August or something. Macio's second day in kindergarten. But we had some storms today. We have some damage. Is this third day? No, today's just Tuesday. Is it? What's the day? Tuesday or Wednesday? Tuesday. Let me see if I can see the backyard. Oh. What is y'all watching?
Can I keep put on this just so you know?
Okay, see
It's a big
outside.
house with a whole bunch of
See outside, we had a tree. We had a tree blow down
Yep.
in our backyard.
Cool.
I'm gonna go outside because it's still raining. But you see the tree? See the leaves? See that tree? The tree up there from the top. I don't know if you can see it, the very top. The land broke down and the trees fell in the backyard. So we got
This
branches.
is literally right outside.
It's gonna maybe take a day of buying some,
No wonder bugs be
get a chain saw and maybe get up some of that. But up the street is a pine tree fell from one neighbor's yard on the front of the other neighbor's yard. Yeah. And then across the street, our neighbor's big tree fell. It fell across his swimming pool and then fell across the fence into another neighbor's yard. So we had a little bit of strong wind come through this little area here on the south side. I forget the name of this area. Okay, it's time off.